Yeah, it was so hot today, you guys. So hot. It was hotter than it was yesterday. And humid. And then it got cool. And then it got hot again. And now here we go. Now I'm gonna get in the truck. I don't feel like getting pelted in the head with a with hail. All right, Grandma's getting in the driver's seat so she can punch it if we need to go. Okay, you guys, so you can see the severe thunderstorm warning, Dubuque, Delaware County. So it didn't show Matt as being under one in Clayton County, but we were. I don't know, I don't see Jessup, Epworth, but they got hit. He said they've lost power and everything. So it's saying 60 mile per hour wind gust, quarter size hail. A wind gust source trained weather spotter measured a wind gust to 59 miles per hour. So hail damage to vehicles is expected, wind damage, roof siding, and trees. So Dubuque's going to be impacted. I'll show you guys the radar. Torrential rains, where's that for? Is occurring with these storms. This is what we're looking at. This is what's about to hit us. And then it's going to go out, and you can see it's going to clear up, but it's going to be a doozy when it hits. So this is what, oh my goodness.
Black over there.
Look at those clouds. And you guys, it is so hot.
Clouds? I see black.
No, look. Look, those clouds are down.
I can't see clouds.
Peek your head out the door, but be careful. No, those clouds,
I'm looking for a windshield wiper.
they are just rolling in at us, you guys.
Right there. Right there.
Holy cow, you guys.
Turn it. Oh, there they are.
Look at that. Okay, there's the sirens, you guys. We gotta go. Holy cow, Pat, look at these clouds. They're like almost to the ground. Okay. Holy cow, you guys, look at this. I mean, oh my God.
There, leave it like that.
Mom, I know. I'm looking at the clouds. I know. The sky is green. Holy cow. Okay, you guys. Holy cow, you guys.
Is it locked? Is it locked?
Yeah.
Oh. Holy cow. That happened so fast, you guys. That is so scary. Look at those clouds.
Ooh, look at that blue.
We're okay right now.
Hang in there, it's gonna get bad. Oh, that's what he said.
We're okay right at the moment. I just sort of see where I can see right here because we can go that way because everything's moving this way.
Okay, you guys,
Across the parking lot.
this is,
Through the trees.
Here comes the
Feather might
wind.
be, oh, your tent might go round.
okay, you guys, so we are sitting in the truck.
Did you bring the? Oh
Yeah, I got everything. It's in the back seat. Yep. Okay, well, it's getting, oh my God, okay. I gotta say, this is a little freaky. Those winds are strong.
You're okay right now. Don't worry.
She's sitting that way instead of sideways. Whoa, it's gonna take your kid a little bit.
Yep.
The only thing that we can is lifting that one.
Okay. Okay, you guys, so this is what's coming at us. We are sitting in the truck. Me and Grandpa and Grandma riding
right.
this storm out. And it's ugly.
Right at this moment, we're fine.
Well, the tent's still standing, guys. So far.
It tipped both of them over.
Oh, okay. This is this is definitely, it came out of nowhere.
It'll blow through. Oddly enough, the tent is still held up.
Oh my goodness, you guys, those winds are getting super strong.
Okay, so this is what we're seeing, you guys. This is what we're riding out. Yeah, it's blowing that tent, but it's...
Oh, look at that tree right there. The branches are.
We have no power.
Yeah, Guttenberg lost theirs too.
In the middle of eating dinner.
That's pretty good rope though, it's still hanging.
Yeah.
Well, Matthew, if you come down and stay tonight, you'll probably just sleep in the car.
Oh, look at that, you guys. It just blew the tent right apart. And those winds are just getting stronger. Both of those blocks tipped up. Holy cow.
Yeah. I seen them lift.
I thought only the one had
I
gone
seen that
up.
one there lift.
So that's how bad the winds were, you guys.
Yeah.
How heavy do you think those cinder blocks are?
Couple thousand pounds.
Yeah, and the wind just lifted them right up like it was nothing. How the tent stayed in place is beyond me.
Good ropes.
Yeah. And it's not even weighted down with enough weights. All those ties I put down just it blew them right out. Not a one of them held, I don't think.
Well, they held as good as you can.
In this kind of weather, oh, the frame's bending. See
Oh
it?
yeah, I seen it bend.
It's going. That's a good thing you guys were here. I might have been crying in the car.
Yeah. That's why we're here. That's why we're here.
It damaged that tree up there. See it? How low the branch is down now?
Yeah.
On that little one.
Oh, we're sitting there watching.
All right, Tiffany. There's your lightning. I don't know if you can see it, but there's plenty of it.
A lot of it probably. We can't see it, Matt. You can't get out right now. It's pouring rain.
We're still getting some rain here, but it's not near as bad as you guys
I
can
got back
see.
here just in time.
Lots of lightning though.
All three flags are still hanging.
Yes, they are. So Charlie had to come and check on Dad's tent, see how it was. She's sleeping. We can't wake her up. I really want to wake her up though. Let me wake her up.